What if I told you your body has a hidden switch that can transform it from a sugar-burning machine to a fat-burning powerhouse? In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of ketosis, and I'm showing you exactly how to flip that switch. Plus, stick around for 3 proven ways to make it happen. This video is for informational purposes only. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new diet. The body's 2 fuel systems. Think of your body like a hybrid car. It can run on 2 different fuel sources. Most of us are stuck in the sugar-burning mode, constantly craving our next carb fix. There's another way, the fat-burning mode, or what scientists call ketosis. When you stop feeding your body carbs, something amazing happens. Just like a hybrid car switching to its backup engine, your body starts breaking down fat into these powerful little molecules called ketones. And here's the best part. It's not just burning the fat you eat, it's burning your stored body fat too, the insulin factor. But there's a catch. Meet insulin, your body's storage hormone. Every time you eat carbs, insulin shows up like an overenthusiastic warehouse worker shouting, "Store that energy. We might need it later." The problem? When insulin is high and stays high, your body's fat-burning switch stays firmly in the off position. It's like trying to empty a bathtub while the faucet's still running. You're fighting a losing battle. To flip the switch to fat-burning mode, we need to keep insulin low, and that means saying goodbye to carbs. 3 paths to ketosis. Let me show you 3 different ways to flip that fat-burning switch. Think of these 3 different paths up the same mountain. They all get you there, but some are more scenic than others. Number 1, NSNG, no sugar, no grains. I call this the keep it simple approach. Cut out sugar and grains, and that's it. Focus on fat and protein like meat, bacon, eggs, avocados, olives. This is the method I used when I lost 40 pounds in 8 months at the age of 50. It's great for beginners, and it works. It works really well. Number 2 is the Atkins method. Now, this is a more gradual transition approach. Start strict, and then slowly add carbs back as you get to your goal, weight, or health goals. 4 phases of increasing flexibility. It's perfect if you want more food options eventually. The carnivore approach. This 3rd approach, what I call the all-in method, is really meat, eggs, maybe some dairy. That's about it. It's really the fastest road to ketosis. And it's really best for if you're in 2 situations. 1, if you're starting out and want to go no carb and go all in. And 2nd, when you're getting down to the last few pounds you're trying to lose. All right, so let's wrap it up. Remember, getting into ketosis isn't about perfection. It's about finding what works for your body and your lifestyle. Whether you choose the simple path of NSNG, the more flexible route of Atkins, or you go all in with carnivore, the key is to keeping those insulin levels low so your body can flip that fat-burning switch. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to catch up on our next video on my low-carb journey. Drop a comment below letting me know which approach you found most interesting in trying.